This video demonstrates how to replace the key fob battery in 2021-2024 Ford Broncos. A dead battery prevents unlocking and locking doors and starting the vehicle. The process is simple and saves money compared to dealership service. You'll need a CR2450 battery and a small flat tool. Expect the replacement to take less than 10 minutes. The Ford Bronco key fob uses radio frequency and near-field communication to operate vehicle functions like locking doors and starting the engine. Inside the plastic case, you'll find a circuit board with electronic components, button contacts for the physical buttons, and a CR2450 lithium battery that provides power. The CR2450 battery powers the fob's microcontroller, which processes commands, and the transmitter that sends radio signals to the vehicle. When the battery is low, the signal weakens or the fob fails completely, requiring immediate replacement. First, ensure your vehicle is off. Locate the keyring notch or a hidden latch on the side of the key fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the case. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Avoid using excessive force. Once the key fob is open, locate the old CR2450 battery inside and carefully remove it. Note the polarity. The positive side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2450 battery with the positive side facing up. CR2450 batteries are widely available for $2 to $5 each. Avoid touching the circuit board components to prevent damage from static electricity. Carefully reassemble the key fob case, ensuring it snaps back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your Bronco. Verify that the doors lock, unlock, and that you can start the vehicle. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and reseat the battery. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, reprogramming might be needed. This ensures the fob communicates correctly with your vehicle. Here are the general steps to reprogram your Ford Bronco key fob using the infotainment system. Always refer to your owner's manual for exact instructions. After reprogramming, test the key fob functions. If issues persist, contact Ford Service for assistance. Avoid using metal tools that can scratch or damage the fob. Use plastic pry tools instead. Be mindful of battery orientation. Cheap, knockoff batteries can leak and corrode the circuit, so use a quality CR2450. Improper handling can void warranties or lead to expensive repairs. The automotive industry is moving away from traditional key fobs. Smartphone-integrated keys, using the Ford Pass app for digital access, are becoming the standard. Future Ford Bronco models may feature rechargeable key fobs, or those that harvest energy from movement, eliminating the need for battery replacements entirely. While DIY battery replacement remains common today, physical key fobs are gradually becoming obsolete as digital alternatives take over.